In this video we will learn about the if we have given the fraction form, then how can we find the summation of the given expression. In this we will use first of all by the partial fraction. If the you can see that it is given in fractional form. First of all, we will divide it in fraction form, in partial fraction. Then we will find the value of a and b and simplify it. After simplification of this in the expressions, uh, uh, after that we will apply the summation what they have asked in our question. So in this question they ask that show that this is equal to this thing. First of all, we have to prove this thing is equal to this thing, and the second part it shows that hence show that your thing this take the summation of this as here, and this is equal to this expression, right? So there are two parts of this question, and for first part what we will do, we will take the left hand side. After taking the left hand side, I will take the partial fraction of this. It can be written as a over r plus 2 plus b over r plus 4, right? Then you will take the LCM. Taking its LCM, simplify it, and then you will get the expression of this form. Now in the denominator we have r plus 2 r plus 4, and similarly on the left hand side in denominator we have r plus 2 r plus 4. The difference is in the numerator after this partial fraction, right? You can see that here is the constant only, but here in this expression we have r value, r term value, and constant. So by equating the equations, what we will see that for this r a plus b there is none value on the left hand side. So we can say that r a plus b that is equal to 0, equate it equal to 0, and it will give me a is equal to minus b after putting equal to 0. Then the constant 4a plus 2b, 4a plus 2b, when we will equate it we will get that is equal to 2, right? Because it is a constant, that is also constant because no r is involved here. So constant can be equated to constant. So I have equated the constant to constant. 4a plus 2b is equal to 2, and what you will see that we have in the first part we have got the value of a is equal to minus b. So this value of a I will apply here. So this will become minus 4b plus 2b, right? And then the expression will be in b form, and then you will get the value of b. Now b is equal to minus 1, we will get this value, and we will put this value b is equal to minus 1 here, then we will get the answer of a. So by simplification of all these things we will get the values of a and b. We just put this value of a and b here in this equation, right? When I put it here, then I will get form, and this form is equal to this form. So in this way we show that our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this was our first part. Now in the second part what they have done, they have taken the summation of this left hand side. So we will take the summation of this left hand side, and we will equate it equal to what? Equal to this thing, because we have proved this thing. So in the next step what I have done, the summation of this thing is equal to summation of this thing, right? And after that how can we solve it? The procedure of the question like that is that first of all we will put the value of r is equal to 1, r is equal to 2, r is equal to 3, r is equal to 4, r is equal to 5. We will put first 5 values of r in this expression, and after that we will write points to show that it's going on, and then we will put the last 3 or 4 values of r is equal to n, which will be last 3-4 values will be n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 2, and so on. You are going to up till n. The last value will be n. So I will put n minus 3, and then the second value n minus 2, the next value will be n minus 1, and the last value will be n. So this procedure we will do here. In the first part, we will put the values of 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then after putting the dots, which shows that there are also many numbers between them, we will put the last three values in this expression, and we will check what we will get. So I have done this. In place of r, I put 1 and 1 here. In place of r, I put next value 2 here, right? In place of 3 r, I will put the value next value 3 here. I will get this expression. And in place of r, I am going to put next value 4 is equal to 4 here. And after that, I will put, it's going on, I will represent it by dots, right? In between them, you have to write plus sign because it is a summation of series, right? Because this expression shows that this is the summation of a series. Don't forget to put the plus sign between them. And then I will put the last three values of here, and I have told you earlier that last three values will be, last value will be n, second last will be n minus 1, third last will be n minus 2, fourth last will be n minus 3. So in place of r, I will put first of all n minus 3 plus 2, n minus 3 plus 4, right? Between them plus sign. Next value will be n minus 2. In place of r, I put n minus 2 plus 2, and in place of r, I put n minus 2 plus 4. Next value will be 1 over n minus 1. In place of r, I put n minus 1 plus 2, and in place of r, we put n minus 1, right? And the last value will be n. So in place of r, I will put 1 over n plus 2 minus 1 over n plus 4. This is our last value. After putting 4 or 5 first and 4 or 5 last values, we will go to the next step. We will put the answers, whatever we will get the answers, right? And the last value answer. After that, we will omit the brackets and simply add all the terms. Whatever the terms I get, I simply add these terms. Then I have added them. What I have got, minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 cancel each other. Minus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 cancel each other. Minus 1 over 7 will cancel the next value which is written in the dots, right? And at the last you will see minus 1 over n plus 2 plus 1 over n plus 2 cancel each other. Plus 1 over n plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1 cancel each other. And this value will cancel here something when we will put it here, right? And 1 over n plus will cancel here, and we have left only minus 1 over n plus 3 minus 1 over n plus 4 here in the last values. All other values will cancel each other in between these dots, right? So we have left only these values. For these values, what we will do, we will take the LCM of these values. I have taken the LCM, and then just I have simplified it. After taking the LCM, you can see LCM is 12, n plus 3, n plus 4. In the first expression, I have missed n plus 3, n plus 4, and it was 3 there. So 4, because 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12. And the next was 4. So 4 will be multiplied by 3, so I will add 3 and n plus 3 n plus 4 because it was not here in the LCM. And next, after taking the LCM, then you will just simplify these. The terms which cancel each other, just cancel them. Yes, 148 will cancel minus 48, 36 will cancel minus 36, and then you will add n square values and n values, you will get this thing. So you can see that our summation is equal to this, and this thing we have to show that. So in this way we can easily show the expression what they want to show it. Here you can see that, right? So this is the procedure. If the fraction part is given, use the method of differences for fractions, and you can easily find the values whatever we have to show that. It's very interesting and very simple if you can get it. Thank you.